is Rajiv. We are official distributors for Theragun in India. We currently have 4 devices to explain you about. So I start with the Theragun Mini. This is a basic device. Then comes the Theragun Prime. We have the Theragun Elite, and this is the Theragun Pro. So to understand a little more about the devices, the Theragun Mini is the beginner's product. It's more of a portable device that you can carry it around. It's got 3 different speeds to differentiate between the Theragun Mini and the other devices in hand. Then comes the Theragun Prime. So it's a beginner's level for the Theragun Mini, whereas the Prime is a second level, where what you need to understand about Theragun Prime is that it's got 3 different handles to hold from. So give an example, you can hold it from 3 different angles and it's more suitable to your body in a different way. To understand a little more, if you go for a better device, you can go for the Theragun Elite, and then you have the Theragun Pro. And how do you turn it on? Yes, you give a deep press like this. The device goes on, the T appears on the screen. Press. On the minimum speed you have the percussions. So it is called PPM because it's percussions per minute. The Theragun is 40 percussions per second and 1750 as a minimum speed per minute. This speed is common between all the devices. Give it one press on the top and the speed increases to 1900. It's got 5 different speeds. You have 1750, 1900, 2100, 2200 and 2400 as the maximum speed. The maximum speed and the minimum speed is common between all the devices. To speak a little more about the devices, yes, apart from the 4 members, you also have Maruthio. We are also distributors of Maruthio in India. Maruthio is a Pilates product. It ranges from different angles, so we have pricing starting from 3.75 lakhs to 6.5 lakhs. It can be used as an individual at home. It can also be used in gyms, also Pilates studios where you can get an experience of. So one must try and visit some Pilates studio to take an experience. To speak a little more about the Pilates products, so what you can get, what efficiency and what productivity you could get out of a Pilates product is different to a gym equipment and is different to a cross training. So one must try the Pilates because the efficiency and the results that you get from a Pilates is a lot more different. It's more about toning of the body. So if one wants to slim down in terms of his muscle recovery or even in terms of toning the body, it's a very good form of exercise. Coming back to the Theragun devices, all the products come with a 1-year warranty except the Pro. The Pro comes with a 2-year warranty. This device stands apart from the other 3 devices because you have detachable batteries that comes along. On a click of a button, the battery is off it, and you have a spare battery that comes along with it as well. So this is something where it can be used on a continuous procedure. So when one of the batteries is off, the second battery can be used as a spare one. Another feature that is comparable to the other devices is that this arm is movable. So I can hold the button out here and change the arm this way. Yeah, thank you.